Dear students, I welcome you in your today's computer class. I hope you have done previous computer work and maintained your notebooks very well. Today we will learn some interesting things, but first tell me that can you talk to your computers as you talk to your friends? No, well tell me that. Can you talk to a person who does not know your language? It is hard. Yes, it is hard. Students, remember that. Computer is a machine, and a machine cannot understand human language as we speak with each other. And also remember that, to work properly, computers or machines always depend on humans to instruct them. But think how a human can talk with computers. Student, for this reason, human needs to know the language which computers can understand. Students, let me tell you that computers or machines, or all other digital devices, can only understand machine language, which is also called as a programming language. This machine language has only two alphabets, called bits. Bits are expressed as zeros or ones. So my dear students, whenever a human wants to talk with computers, human words or instructions are first translated or converted into machine language, so that the computers can understand it and perform the actions as instructed by the human. Students, as you know, the earlier computers were used by using machine language, which was very hard for human to learn, write or remember, but as the time passed, computer languages also got improved, as there are different generations of computer. In the same way, there are different kinds of computer languages as well. Computer languages can be divided into two main types, low-level language and high-level languages. Well, what are low-level languages? Dear students, low-level languages are those languages which are more close to computer or machine understanding. For example, machine language and assembly language. Students, machine language for every machine is different. That's why instructions given to one machine don't work on another machine. Students, let's discuss more about machine language. As discussed earlier, machine language is very close to computer's understanding. That's why instructions given in machine language run very fast. But, on the other hand, machine language is very hard for human to write, learn and remember. Now students, let's discuss about assembly language. My dear students, assembly language is another type of low-level language. It was developed in 1950, and alphabets of assembly language are made using combination of letters. Now, let's discuss some high-level languages. Students, as taught earlier, that high-level languages are more close to human understanding. These began to develop in late 50s. High-level languages use different English and mathematical symbols, which are easy for human to write, learn and remember. Student, when you give instruction in a high-level language, this set of instructions is called source code or source program. It cannot run directly on computers. Instead, the source code is first translated into machine code by compiler or the interpreter, and then it runs. Examples of high-level programming languages are BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, and Java, etc. My dear students, now I hope that you have a good understanding of programming languages. Well, now you have to solve today's computer worksheet in your computer notebooks.